Good morning, children. How all of you are? Hope you all are fine and enjoying the online classes. It's your SST class, and you all are reading which book? We and Our World. In my earlier videos, I have taught you chapter 1, that was the family. And I hope you all have learned many things from that chapter. You have come to know about maternal grandparents, paternal grandparents, surname, and many more things what Vishu has learnt from his grandfather, grandmother. Do you remember anything that Vishu has learnt from his grandfather? Yes, he learnt yoga from his grandfather. And what he learned from his grandmother? To make rangoli, to sew buttons on his shirts, like that. So we all know that we are living in family. In your family also, many members are living, like your father, mother, brother, sister, uncle, aunts, your grandparents. Okay. So why do you need family? Can't you live alone? No, nobody can live alone. We need a family to live in. So family is our first school where we learn everything. Okay, before coming to school, when you were a baby, small baby, you have learnt everything from your family only. Your mother taught you how to respect your elders, how to take care of your things, everything you learn from your family only. So we call family as the first school. The word family stands for what? Father, mother, I love you. F for father, M for mother, I for I, L for love, and Y for you. So the word family stands for what? Father, mother, I love you. Before starting this chapter, I want to show you some slides. And before showing the slides, I want to ask question from you that how many members are there in your family? Okay, if there are 5 members, 4 members, or many more members, are all of them look alike or they are different? Are all of them look alike? क्या सब लोग एक जैसे हैं or they look different? So you will see the faces of all and you will answer this question when your school will reopen. Okay, so I am showing you some slides over here. You see it and learn similarities and differences. So there are two words here, similarities and differences. What does these two words means? You see here. Similarity is likeness or resemblance. What is similarity? It is likeness or resemblance. See here, there are two girls here. They both are similar. They look alike. Okay, they are look alike. They all almost look same. Okay, so this is what? Similarity. Difference is what? Difference is the quality of being unlike or different. Here, there are two what you can say, two females are standing. They both are different. Okay. Our world is made up of many people like you and me. In the whole world, there are many people. They are all are like us only. we all have the same body parts. In your family members, you can see all of them have the same thing. What you have? You suppose that you have two eyes, two ears, one nose, one mouth, two hands, and two legs. All of them have must these thing only. Two eyes, two ears, one nose, one mouth, two hands, and two legs. Have you seen anyone who has four eyes, three eyes, four hands, six legs? Have you seen? No. We have the same two eyes, two ears, one nose, one mouth, two hands, and two legs. But then also we don't look similar to one another. We all look different from one another. Why we look different from one another? You see here. Though we have the same parts of the body, we look different from one another. Why? First is that weight and height. All the people in the world do not have the same height and the same weight. Some people are very thin, some are fat, some are tall, some are short. Okay. Complexion. Complexion means what? Color. Okay. Some people are fair and some are dark. As you can see in the picture also. Types of hair. Some have thin hair, some have curly hair, some have long hairs, some have silky hairs. Different types of hairs we have. Eyes and nose. Though we have two eyes, then also the color of the eyes are different. Some have black eyes, some have blue eyes, some have brown, some have gray. Okay, what type of eyes do you have? You look and you will tell me. Okay. Eyes and nose. Some people have flat nose while others have sharp pointed nose. You can see flat nose, pointed nose. Every person goes through a process of growing. As in the picture you can see a baby is there. First of all a baby crawling, then a small boy, then a little big boy, then a big boy, then a man, then an old man, then a very old man is there. So we all go through this process of growing. Okay. A boy grows into a man and a girl grows into a lady. People look different according to their age. If you have seen the albums of your mother's or father's marriage, then you see that how they are looking. Their faces are now changed. Or you can ask your grandparents also to show them the earlier photographs of your father or your mother. Then you can see that they have changed a lot. And you also, when you were a small baby, you look some different, but now you are growing, your face is changed, and it is you are, as you all are growing now, so it is keep on changing. So people look different according to their age. So this was the slides which I have shown you to understand the chapter similarities, family similarities. And in my next class, I will read the chapter and explain you. I think something you have got it, that what are similarity and what are differences in the family members. So children, your work is to ask your parents to show you the old albums of your family members. Ask your mother, ask your grandmother or grandfather to show you the albums of your family. What changes have occurred in your family, and you are similar to your mother or father. You also look this, watch it. Okay, your face match to whom? Your mother or father or grandfather or your grandmother or aunt, uncle. You see it. Okay? So now it's time to go. So thank you, children. Stay at home and stay safe and obey your parents and do the work what I gave. Thank you, children.